Make u the subject of the relation x is equals to 2u minus 3 all over 3u plus 2. Let's copy the question down here. Okay, in a case like this, what you are looking for is right here. Remember, this all over is like a bracket. You can't just come here and start removing 3 and 2 or any other thing. The first thing you should do in a case like this, where you have a fraction, this is over 1, can also be a fraction, let me put it like that, over 1, is to clear fractions. How do you clear fractions? By cross multiplying. This is dividing, will come over here and multiply, and 1 times this doesn't change anything. That's what I mean by cross multiplication. So let's go ahead and do that. Let this denominator come over here, so we have x multiplying everybody. I'm using a bracket because it is not one item, is equals to 1 multiplying this is still the same number. I don't need to use a bracket in this case. Now all I have to do is open up this bracket, 3ux plus 2x, that is equals to 2u minus 3. Now you see you have u here and u here, bracket is gone, see. Now I can bring u to u and then take this other number to this other side. So this is 3ux minus, plus comes here and becomes minus 2u is equals to minus 3. This comes over here and becomes minus 2x is plus here, so it crosses equality sign and becomes minus there. Now I can factorize my u. See, I can factorize u. If I bring u out of here by dividing, what is left? 3x is left. Over here, what is left? 2 is left. Is equals to minus 3 minus 2x. Now you see, this is multiplying, this entire bracket is multiplying u, so it can leave and go here and divide. So my u becomes minus 3 minus 2x divided by 3x minus 2. Now let's go to the options. You won't see it there. You won't see it there. It's not there. It's not there. So that means there is something we can do. In fact, whenever you get to a stage like this where you are sure you've done everything correctly, but your answer isn't there, it just means that they have manipulated this. They have rearranged it. And one way to arrange, look at this. None of them has a minus sign in front. It means do something to remove this minus sign. Okay? Do something. What can we do to remove this minus sign? One thing you can do to remove this minus sign is to manipulate it and make minus, this minus, come out and belong to both of them. Right now it only belongs to 3. And make sure that you also have a minus sign here, where the minus below will cancel the minus on top. Let's go ahead and do that. So this becomes u is equals to minus. What can I do? How can I arrange this number so that if I put 3 here, look at this, 3 is still, this one is not affected. Minus times plus 3 is still minus 3, because minus times plus is minus. Is that okay? But here, 2x, mind you, this arrangement is not going to affect the numbers, it's only going to affect the signs. Okay, so now let's look at it. If I put this minus here the way it was here, let's try and go back. Minus times minus is plus, and this is not plus. So we have to make this in such a way that if we multiply back to our previous step, we still have this answer. So minus times plus is minus, you see? So this is equal to this. The numerator is still intact. Now let's go over to the denominator. Also have a minus sign. How do I arrange this so that it's still this? I don't tamper with it. By simply giving him a minus sign. Because minus times minus is plus. Remember this is plus. Look at this, it's plus, not minus. So you give him a minus sign so that when you go back, you still have plus. Now this is 2 here. What can I do? Should this still be minus? No, we saw it here already. It has to change. It has to be plus, so that minus times plus will give us minus back. See, that way we've succeeded in creating a minus sign outside that belongs to both terms that can do what? Cancel out. And our answer now becomes what? 3 plus 2x all over minus 3x plus 2. Look at this. I can rearrange this because I still look at this, none of them has a minus sign in front. So how can I rearrange that? 3 plus 2x by simply writing this first. That will be what? 2 minus 3x. I hope you understand that. So now let's check. We have a 2x plus, okay, let me just go to the denominators. 2 minus 3x, 2 minus 3x, no, 2 minus 3x, yes, this is 2 minus 3x, right? That's only 2 minus 3x, but look at the denominator, looks like it is not the same. But I tell you, addition is commutative. I can rearrange this to become what? 2x plus 3 all over 2 minus 3x. Can swap them because it's addition, it doesn't have any problem. So look at that. That is exactly our answer, and that is C. Thanks for watching till the end. Please, if you like our video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our page. Until I see you in our next video. Bye bye.